Hey, it's Megan here, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the book that's been making waves in the Acroyoga community, Move, Connect, Play, The Art and Science of Acroyoga by Jason Nemer. I'm going to be sharing how it's really supported my acroyoga practice as a beginner and how it can help you as well. So let's get into it. So after taking just one virtual acroyoga class, Andrew and I were pretty much hooked. So we were looking for any way to continue our education and supplement the virtual classes that we were taking. So this book we grabbed and we actually just keep it on our coffee table to flip through and use all the time while we are practicing. And first off, I have to say I really enjoyed this book. It's super well written, it's beautifully designed, and it's full of useful information. The author, Jason Nemer, is one of the co-founders of the Acroyoga International Organization, so he definitely knows his stuff. And I feel like one thing that sets this book apart from others is how it really breaks down different aspects of acroyoga into simple and easy to understand concepts. It covers everything from basic poses and transitions to more of those advanced moves like pops and whips. Plus, there are plenty of tips and tricks to help you refine your technique and avoid common mistakes. It's not just the physical practice. Move, Connect, Play also emphasizes the importance of connection and communication between partners. There are also sections on building trust and working with different body types, and even how you can incorporate Thai massage into your practice. I can confidently share that it's really helped my partner, Andrew, and I communicate much more effectively in all areas of our life. Another thing I appreciate about this book is how it caters to different learning styles. There are step-by-step instructions for visual learners, there's written explanations for those who prefer to read, so it really covers all of the different learning styles in this book. It's a great supplemental resource to have as you are doing your acro yoga practice. Overall, I highly recommend Move, Connect, Play to anyone who's interested in acro yoga, whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner. It is a comprehensive guide that is sure to take your practice to the next level. So I hope you enjoy.